Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Livingston County, southwestern Ontario County, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Dansville, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dansville, Mount Morris, Kinesis, Hemlock, Groveland, Springwater, Canadas, Livonia, Ocean, and Lakeville. This includes Interstate 390 between exits 4 and 7. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.